Moving on a journey to nowhere, taking it easy, taking it slow. No more worries, no need to hurry, nothing to carry, let it all go. We're all moving on a journey to nowhere, taking it easy, taking it slow. No more worries, no need to hurry, nothing to carry, let it all go, let it all go.
Well, I found out about this event through Nick and also through Facebook, because there's a Wakeup Facebook page. And then, so that was back in April, I think, when I found out, or May. So I really wanted to come, and so I signed up and stuff.
Today, right now, we're at the Wakeup 2015 campout in Sequoia. This is the first kind of gathering of its kind. Usually we have retreats hosted by Deer Park. This is the first time just members of the Wakeup community have got together and put on a Wakeup retreat.
Happiness is here and now. I have dropped my worries. Nowhere to go, nothing to do. No longer in a hurry. Happiness is here and now. I have dropped my worries. Somewhere to go, something to do. But I don't need to hurry.
And so how are you finding this retreat now in Sequoia?
I love it. I love camping, and so this was just like my perfect ideal setting for a retreat, just being in nature. It's hard not to feel peaceful in nature, I think. So, and whenever we talk about beauty being all around, I think the main setting I've talked about that in is the meditation hall where we meet, which is usually it's dark and there's 4 white walls around us. And so when you talk about the beauty of the world, you're envisioning it. Like I think about, oh, like that beautiful cliff I was on 3 days ago or something. But here, when we talk about the beauty of the world, you just open your eyes and it's right there. You can see it.
Hello, myself.
Oh my God, don't talk to yourself. Not in public.
Not bad. It's intervening, right? I can hear my inner child. Oh.
No, that's just you.
It's just like
Yeah. Found my glasses.
okay.
Now we're awake.
So Wakeup allows me to bring my practice out into the world and be engaged in society, but also it's a chance for me just to have a lot of fun. Before I was in Wakeup, I had an idea and a strong aspiration for how I wanted to live my life that wasn't shared by most of the young adults that were around me in college or at work. And so I missed out on doing a lot of the things that I would enjoy doing because I still wanted to have fun, but I wanted it to be rooted in my practice. So Wakeup for me is the community to make a difference into the world, but also for me to just have some fun and laugh with people who are on the same path and who have the same hopes and dreams for themselves and for their communities. The people and the things, the trees, and anything that brings out the best in myself and reminds me of the way that I want to live, and shows me the way to do that, because it's not always clear, but I can see how the trees are in the world, or how my teachers are in the Sangha, how they are in the world, and kind of model my speech and actions after them. And then I become closer to the person that I want to be, more loving and compassionate and understanding of others.
Well, I think it's for Wake Up, I think it's just really a neat opportunity to connect with other people that are approximately our age, because with some of the people that I practiced before, they're a little bit older, and I'm usually around older people too, so I feel comfortable with that. But I think it's a different experience connecting with people who are about our same generation and are also practicing the same ideals and principles, and so it feels kind of nice to know that I see other young people practicing with me too, and it doesn't feel too isolating, or it's like, oh man, I'm the only person of color, or I'm the only Latina, and I'm the only young person in this group. So it feels just exciting to know that all of you guys are committed to the practice as well.
Ta hạnh phúc liền giây phút này, lòng đã quên dứt hết lo âu, không đi đâu nữa có chi để làm, hồng buông thả sống không vội vàng. Ta hạnh phúc liền giây phút này, lòng đã quên dứt hết lo âu, thong dong khi bước thanh thời lúc làm, lòng thanh thản sống trong nhẹ nhàng.
I went to the first retreat for myself in 2012, and at the time I was really kind of an atheist, so I wasn't super receptive, but I did learn something about meditation. Then in the next couple of years I went through some personal challenges because of some choices I made. I ended up living out of my car for a few months and eating meals at a homeless shelter, and it was really challenging. I saw a lot of suffering around me, people with mental health issues, destitute people, you know. I remember crying through one of the meals, and I think that gave me empathy for people around me. I developed a little bit of loving kindness, and to get through this experience I was meditating a lot, so that's what brought me back to the practice. And after that I went to a few more retreats, and then it just really deepened my practice. And then of course last February I started meditating daily, and so I'm extremely grateful for the Wakeup movement.
I didn't get sick either, and probably because I ate everything.
Oh my God. We need a sign, hammock of inner being. Must be made.
You're not
I'm gonna break it. It's 700 pounds weight.
Do this? My hands are tired.
Here, we'll do the house version of the thing for you.
The sun was
Ready?
What?
The house version of the island within myself.
Okay.
Go.
All right, go.
Breathing in, I go
that's the
back
house
to the
version?
island within myself.
She got it.
There are beautiful trees within the island. There are trees, streams of water. There are birds, sunshine and fresh air. Breathing out, I feel safe. I enjoy going back to my island. I enjoy going back to my island. I enjoy going back to my island. There you go.
Awaken, spirit of the wind, I feel you blow through me. I am whole, I am whole, I am whole, I am whole.
Everyone, and I call it kindness. I call it mindfulness. I take the tears my eyes have wept to fill the river and provide drink of water for every child left in the desert of Eden. Look into the air, see only emptiness. Look inside to see what's there. Wonder why God would send me this. It's up to me to receive these messages. Accepting this life is just a step in a direction that's endingless and meaningless, because meaning can only be interpreted in terms of endings and beginnings, and in between there's nothing but TV screens and magazines. I had to see for myself. What holds it all together is imagining a separate hell that's different from heaven. I remember when I was 7, I thought I wouldn't live to 11. Because I took the devil's name in vain and swore he'd come to get it. But the devil's made of the same things I am. Oxygen, fire, water, and iron, isotopes and ions. I suppose the lion doesn't know the sheep he eats is already inside him.
Hey.
Love is what I got. So remember that. Love is what I got.
Yeah, I can fake that.
Yeah?
Okay.
Goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor goes, the major is, the broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Sorry guys, I only know how to play in one key.
Good.
Does anyone know the second verse?
Faith was strong, and she needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overdue. She tied you to the kitchen chair.
Whoa, I didn't know that.
Oh, she cut your hair, and every lip she drew a hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
He stumbles upon this beautiful sequoia tree and is in such awe.
He marvels at its height, its width, its girth. He feels his feet on the ground beneath him, and slowly the cares of his life at home start to slip away. All of his stress about work, relationships, money, and he's just there. His breath is in his body, and he's breathing with the tree.
She's a good tree, lives in the forest.
I'm gonna take the picture the Asian way. I see. Okay. You got it, man. Got it.
I'll stretch a little bit.
Oh, my back!
Let me see.
No?
Please make sure to bed.
Her weight was enormous, and one day.
Justin, no, I know you need those travel reports on your desk. I understand. When I'm on vacation, I'm in Sequoia. This call is costing me a lot of money right now. I'm at Sequoia. I've got this new app, this tree app that I want to look at. It's going to show me things about. Okay, Justin, you figure it out. I'll be back on Tuesday. Okay? Okay? All right. Bye. How's it going? Hey, do you have the new tree app, the Sequoia app? Have you seen it?
No.
Yeah, look, it shows you width of the tree. Like you zoom in and you can look at, it'll show you the inside of the tree, like a computer graphic thing, and then you've got statistics on probability of age and height and all these things. It's pretty cool. You should get it. It's a free app, but all the advertising, gets kind of annoying. So then you just go and I think it's $2.99 for the paid app. So yeah, you should totally check it out. It's like everything you could need to know about Sequoia.
Wait, bro, you have Wi-Fi here? What's the Wi-Fi password?
Yeah, what? It's Yosemite.
Yosemite. Wait, it didn't work.
It didn't work?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? They changed it. It's Yosemite, Yellowstone, Yogi. It's Hey Boo Boo.
Hey.
Yeah.
B-O-O-B.
Oh, yeah. Caps lock on. Caps lock on. Yeah.
There you go, the score.
Yeah, so get the Sequoia app. We're in nature. Don't look at sports scores. We're in nature. You should be looking at nature apps. Yeah, so totally. Where'd that guy go? Hey, random guy. Check it out. Do you have a phone?
I don't have my phone.
No, you should totally get a phone. It helps you, like, you don't experience it the same way without a phone. You need the apps. You need the apps. So hey, dude.
What's up?
Where'd she go? So it's really cute girl. Do you know her? Is she single?
Oh yeah.
You think she's single? I'm gonna ask her out.
Go for it, bro.
Okay, I need an app on how to ask out women.
Has a life, has a spirit, has a name. The only people are people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew. Have you?
Wait, I don't think that's right. I think there's another thing before that. There is.
Rainstorm are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. And we are all connected to each other. In a circle, in a loop that never ends. How high the sycamore grows. If you cut it down, you'll never know. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon. Or whether we are white or copper skin. We must sing with all the voices of the mountain. We must paint with all the colors of the wind. We must paint to own the earth and still all you own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind.
All right, I got him. Hey, good job.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, awesome.
Man, I sang that song more in these last like 2 days than I have like in the past 3
In a lifetime.
Me too. Except in my shower. You know.
To be out in the trees and with everybody and to see this like this blank canvas become this whole community
Yeah, I know, but we also have their
intensity
camping gear down there.
overnight and
Yeah, so
all
like
the
2
elements
chairs,
of like a
tent
deer
box,
park
sleeping
retreat
bag.
with
It seemed a little
the
bit
way we
easy,
served our
actually.
food and ate together and
Yeah,
sat
I
together
know,
and
I know.
walked together.
Alright,
And then now to see everybody dispersing and just back out into the world is really beautiful.
Niềm thương trong hôm tối thắm tươi không nhang phai. Niềm thương trong hôm tối thu đêm vẫn còn hoài.